Okay, this is Mr. Spencer again with creating box plots. We're going to do our second example. This is page 57 of the note spiral, and we'll do our second example. All right, so first off, I'll scroll down and I'll show you what it looks like. Ultimately, this is what we're going to end up with. And it looks like we have an outlier here because we have something below the fence. The fence is about at negative 5.5. My minimum value happens to be negative 10. Then I have Q1 is at 2. My median is at about 4.5. Q3 is at 7. And then it looks like my maximum value is at 9. Okay, so this right here is our what we're heading for. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the calculator at this point, and we go to Stat Edit. We enter the data. Now I have this data entered in column L4. I entered all that data into column L4, and hopefully I did so correctly. So now I'm going to go get to a clear screen, second quit, and I'm going to go second stat plot. Stat plot 1 is the only one on, so I'll go ahead and leave that on and press enter. I'm going to drop down, make sure I have the right stat plot, the right box plot, which I do. Now my data is in L4, so I'm going to press second, followed by the number 4. My frequency is we still don't have a frequency of 1, and I should be able to press zoom 9 at this point, and there it is. And look, you can see right there that we do have an outlier. So I go ahead and press trace, and we'll go to the lowest value, and my minimum value is negative 10, and it happens to be an outlier. Then we have X1, well, that value is at 1. Q1 happens to be at 2. The median is at 4.5. Q3 is at 7, or the third quartile. And my maximum value is 9. So once again, I need to go back and I need to set up my fences because I need to show where my fences are. So we'll go back to that. So we'll look back at the screen. And we go, all right, we know that Q3 was at 7. Q1 is at 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. So our IQR is 5. So plugging into the formula, we have our formula is Q1 minus 1.5 IQR. Q1 is 2 minus 1.5 times 5. So we end up with negative 5.5, and that establishes our lower fence. Our upper fence is going to be at 7 plus 1.5 IQRs. So 7 plus 1.5 times 5, or 14.5. And I can't draw that because it's off the graph. But anyway, that is how you draw a box plot. Please ask questions if you have them. Thank you.